When Excell Supply asked me to talk about coding for National Coding Week, I literally jumped at the chance, because any excuse to explain that coding doesn't mean sitting in front of a screen with headphones on, typing away until early hours of the morning, then I'm in. Hi, I'm Hayley. I'm founder of edtech startup Sniff Snails here in North Wales, and I really do believe that technology should be built by everyone, not just an exclusive group of people. And that's why I founded Sniff Snails. Our mission is really to inspire really early on a love of technology through creative play, storytelling, and most importantly, hands-on making. Okay, so Excell Supply have given me a few questions that they want me to answer. So let's take a look at the first one. I hope it's easy. What is coding? Okay, great question to start with. Coding is simply just writing instructions for a computer to tell it what to do. And it can be as simple as code sits inside this computer that says, when the on button is pressed, then make my screen display. Another example could be inside this robot, there is a tiny little computer here, which has instructions on it that say when the battery pack is on, then make these wheels go forward for 2 seconds. And coding can be written in all types of different languages. So in primary school, they'll start to learn to code using block-based programming. So it's just like drag and drop blocks. And then in high school, they might start to use something called Python. But ultimately, all of these different languages are all doing the same thing. They're just telling a computer what to do and when. Okay, let's take another question. Why is coding important for children? Okay, where do I start? Well, I think the first place that I would start is pretty much everything that you and I touch today, big or small, from a car to a plane to the fridge, all operates off a computer. So for children to understand exactly how these things work, and it's not just magic, is really super important. But I'd actually say, perhaps more importantly, is unlocking the ability to code really helps them turn some of their ideas into reality and help make things flash, light up, spin, move, make robots like this robot out of cardboard here, or make sound. And I think being able to do that will really help them with their problem solving skills and creativity skills, both of which I think are perhaps the most important skills for building an awesome future for them. Okay, last question. Can you give a simple activity for teachers or parents to do at home? And I presume in school as well. So a very simple activity actually would just be to follow Sniff Snails, because for National Coding Week, we're actually launching a campaign that will run across the whole year, where we'll be uploading on our website for free a weekly coding activity. So again, you can just go on there, download it for free and use it at home or in school with your children. Also just follow across our social media channels as well. We're regularly going to be uploading tips and various different recommendations and resources. So whether it's podcasts that are really cool to listen to, or board games or books, or various different simple activities that you can try at home without any equipment, just things that you'll find around the house. So yes, they're my 2 recommendations. And yeah, I'd say finally, just remember that coding really is as simply as writing instructions for a computer to tell it what to do and when. Well, I hope it's been helpful, and enjoy National Coding Week.